Take a ride in the 2026 Aviator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.